My name is Vajini. I am from CSE department, Vastara Karnal of RPIIT College. Today we are going to learn about natural language processing NLP. NLP stands for natural language processing, which is a part of computer science, human language, and artificial intelligence that enables computers to understand, interpret, and generate human language, which allows for applications like chatbots, text analysis, and human translation. It is a technology that is used by machines to understand, analyze, manipulate, interpret, and human languages. It also helps developers to organize knowledge to perform multiple tasks. This is a basic diagram which covers all three streams: computer science, artificial intelligence, and human language. Let's see the advantages of NLP. It helps to ask the questions about any subject, to get the direct response within seconds. It also offers the exact answers to the question, which means that it does not offer any unnecessary or unwanted information. Then NLP helps the computer to communicate with humans in their languages. It is very time efficient. What are the examples of NLP where we can say NLP power applications like chatbots and virtual assistant, which enables machines to engage in natural conversations. Then sentiment analysis. It also determines that the emotional tone of the context. Let's say if there is a positive tone, negative tone, or neutral tone. So that is a part of area applications of NLP. Machine translation, where the translating text between the different languages. Text summarization, where condensing the large amount of text into shorter or more precise versions, where this and the spam detection, where the identifying and filtering the unwanted malicious emails. Let's discuss the disadvantages of NLP. Where NLP may not show context, it is very unpredictable and it may require key strokes. NLP is unable to adapt the new domain and it has a very limited function. That's why NLP is built for the single and specific task only. What are the core tasks of NLP? The NLP aims to equip the machines with the ability to understand. It means that it analyzes the text and speech to extract meaning and intent. Then the second one we can say generate. It means that it can produce human-like text or speech. Manipulate, that modify and process language for various purposes. So this is it with this video. Thank you. To like and subscribe our channel.